Hey guys, it's Meso. I'm back. Welcome to my kitchen today, where I'm going to be showing you something real cool. How to make a little leftover dish, kind of homemade, kind of taking a little help from a box. Look at this. Chicken fried rice. Well, actually, this is turkey fried rice from some turkey that I had left over from the holidays. Here I have some shredded turkey. I've got some fresh broccoli and carrots, and I have the chicken helper. I'm going to take a little help from that guy. So here I'm getting my turkey that I've chopped up down into the frying pan. I'm using this packet that came in the chicken helper, and it's just rice and some freeze-dried vegetables, looks like peppers and English peas. Now I'm going to put this seasoning packet that comes in the chicken helper. I'm going to get that in and coming right back with some hot water. Yeah, this is 2.5 cups of hot water. I just popped this in the microwave to let it almost come to a boil. Now I'm just going to stir this up, and you see these vegetables are beginning to get rehydrated, I guess I should say. These are English peas here. Just take a look at them. But that's not enough vegetables. I wanted to give it a little bit more homier taste, so I'm going to be adding some of my own vegetables. Let's see. Let me show you. Yeah, I'm going to be putting in this fresh broccoli and these fresh carrots. But I'm not going to do it right now because I don't want them to get soft and mushy. This has to cook about 25 to 30 minutes. I'm going to cover it up after it comes to a boil, and I'm going to let it start to cook. I'll save those other vegetables towards the end, and I'll put them in. Looky, looky. This has been cooking for 25 minutes. Now, you see most of the water is gone. I just want to steam those vegetables. So after I get this soy sauce in, I'm going to be putting in a little bit more seasoning and get my vegetables in. Here I'm using 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Now, all of this coming up next is to your taste. Do it your style, honey. This is Meso style. So put in how much soy sauce that you like. I'm not going to add any salt because I'm sure that the chicken helper, that seasoning packet, has salt in it. The soy sauce, you know, of course, the soy sauce is salt. So we won't need any more salt. If they do, they can salt it at the table. Got these fresh vegetables. Let's get them on in. Gonna put some carrots in, and I'm gonna, oh man, I'll just go ahead and dump all this in. Broccoli, carrots, and all. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of garlic in. Now, if you got fresh garlic, go ahead and use that. I didn't have any. I got some ginger, and I'm gonna put about a half teaspoon of ginger. Have fresh ginger. Grate it up and go ahead and use that. It'll be even better. Now I'm just going to kind of cover these vegetables with the hot rice, and I'm going to, just so that it can steam, I'm going to cover these vegetables just for a little while and let it steam. Now you can let yours cook a little bit, or if you want to. If you like soft broccoli and soft carrots, I don't. I like to have a little crunch in mine. A little more soy sauce also. So I covered it up and let it set for about 10-15 minutes. This was on well, actually, I just turned it back on. It really wasn't on low the whole time. So just make sure you keep checking it to get it to the firmness that you like. This is where I like mine. This is about right for me. Oh, the only other thing this needs is just to start eating on it. Smells so good, y'all. This is a shortcut. This is the easy way. But sometimes we need to take an easy way sometimes. Even Meso gets tired of cooking from scratch all the time. So I'll take this little help today. Let's go ahead and see what we got. Just got it into a dish, y'all. My lighting is not as good over here. I don't know if you can really get a good look at this, but this is my rice. These are my broccolis, the chicken, the turkey. It's not chicken, the turkey, but you can use chicken in this, of course. Look at those vegetables. You see that my vegetables are not limp. They're not soft and mushy. But you can steam them to your desired tenderness. Look at that. Look at that. This is delicious. This is wonderful. I'm gonna go and enjoy this. Thank you guys for watching. If you like my channel, subscribe. Share my video wherever you're active on social media. Give me a thumbs up. That'll help me a lot. And comment, because I love talking to you guys. I hope you enjoyed everything today. You came today because you knew I'd be throwing down. So thanks, guys, for coming and checking on me. Bye-bye.